Hi dear friends, now we will discuss about this medium level mechanical drawing. So before going to create this type of drawings, so you need to first check this diagram, where to start this diagram, so that we can create this diagram within less time and by using less number of commands. So before going to start drawing this diagram, so we need to set the unit system, because all the units in this diagram belongs to millimeters. So go to command line, type UN for units and press enter, and change this to the precision value 0 and change this to millimeters and click OK. After setting units, so go to command leading and press enter and click on modify and set the primary units to precision 0 and click OK and click set current and click close. Now after setting dimensions, so we need to set the limits. So give the command lim for limits and press enter. So lower left corner should be 0, 0. I am pressing enter to activate the default values. And here specify upper right corner, it is asking you. So observe this diagram and you need to enter this value more than the highest value of this drawing. So for that I am just assuming the value and I am giving the 500, 500 and press enter. After giving limits, you need to give the command zoom and press enter, and you need to select this option all, so that our working area will be clearly visible for us, so that our objects also will be visible clearly. So now, so if you start from here, from this point, if you start from this point, so we can complete this diagram in a less time, and by using this with less number of commands, so we can complete this diagram. So now we will start from here, this point. So the diameter has given here, so this is the value 60, so that this diameter is 60. So I am selecting circle and I am clicking here. Now the diameter value has given here as 60. So I am giving the diameter 60 and press enter. So this is the diameter 60, and now there is a diameter here, there is a circle here also. So this diameter is 44. Again we need to press enter to activate the last used command. So I am clicking here the center point and I need to give the diameter, the value 44 and press enter. See, and now I am making the center mark by go to the annotate tab and click here center mark, and I am selecting this circle, so that our center mark will be visible. And now see, there are circles here and 12 holes are there with 8 mm diameter. So first we need to create one 8 mm circle and we will make this polar array. So I have, and again I am selecting circle command and I am selecting the center point of this, and I am giving the diameter 8 and press enter. So we have a circle, one circle with 8 mm diameter, and now select this polar array. So select objects, so I am selecting the circle and press enter, and see here specify the center point. So I am clicking here. So how many are there? Once count here. So I think this will be 12. So I am giving the number of items as 12 and press enter and click close array. So the 12 items will be coming here. And now what should we do? So there are circles here. So this is the radius 8R and this is the radius 22R. So there are two circles here at a distance of 65. He has given 65. So now we need to make offset. We need to draw a line horizontally at a distance of 65. See, so for that what should we do? So I am drawing a reference line as vertical. See, so now from here, if we make offset this horizontal line to 65 distance, so there appears a line here, and at the same time if we make offset of this vertical line to a distance of half to the 74, so half to the 74 it will get 37 I think. So if we make 37 left offset and right offset, so those will be appeared. So go to command line, type O and give the distance 37 and press enter. Select this vertical line and click left side and click right side. At the same time, so again give the command, give the distance 65, press enter, select this horizontal line and make offset to the top. So now see. So now I need to extend this line. See, there are circles at the intersection point here. So I am clicking here and one radius is 22. So give the radius value 22 and again selecting the circle and giving the radius value as 8 and press enter. And now we need these two circles in the opposite side also. So you can make copy of these two items, or you can also make mirror about this vertical line. So we have repeatedly using mirror command. Now we will use how copy item will be applied. Go to command line, type CO for copy and press enter. Now select these two objects, select these two circles and press enter. Select the base point here and click the intersection point of these two lines. So those objects will be copied to the opposite side. And now after drawing these two circles, there is a line here. See, we need to join these two circles by a line. So I am selecting circle and I am drawing. See, I am making these two circles. And now there are lines here. See, there are inclined lines. So those should be tangent to this circle, and this also the line should be tangent. And now I am selecting this line and click right mouse button by holding shift and click tangent so that it will pick the tangent on the circle, and again click control and right mouse button, so click tangent so that it will pick the tangent point. So same will be applied opposite side also. You can also make mirror of this line above this vertical line. So I don't want to make mirror. I am clicking tangent and clicking the circle, and again I am clicking the circle. So it will be appearing like this. And now there is a line here. There is a line of distance 54. Now if we make offset this horizontal line, a line will be appeared here at a distance 54. Now go to command line, give the command O and give the distance 54 and press enter. Select this line to the top. I am making offset to the top. And now there is a line here. I am extending, and we need to make offset this vertical line to a distance of 66. Half is 33 to the left and 33 to the right. So go to command line, type O and press enter. Give the command 33 and press enter. Now make offset these two. 3 and press enter. Now, so these two lines have mirror offset, and there is an intersection point here. So in the intersection point there are two circles. So one is with diameter 16 and outer is radius 18. So we need to draw these two circles. And now I am selecting circle command and drawing the radius 18 first, giving the radius value, and again I am selecting diameter, and here diameter is 16. So give the value 16. I am giving 16 and press enter, so that these circles will be appearing. So now these two circles I need in the opposite side also at the same point. So for that I am making mirror. Go to command line, type mi for mirror and press enter. Select both the objects and press enter. So select the mirror will be appeared here. And now there is a circle here also at a radius of 56 has given at the same center point. So if you want to get this center point of this radius, so we need to first make fillet of radius 20 to both the circles. So for that, go to fillet command and select the radius and give the radius as 20 and press enter. So select this circle and this circle. See, there is a fillet. And now if you select circle and if you take mouse near to this fillet and there is a center point, and by using this center point and there is a radius of 56 from the center point here. So we need to give the radius value as 56 and press enter. Now it will be appearing like this. And now there are fillets here. So there is fillet here, and here. So we need to give again fillet. So I am selecting fillet and selecting radius and giving the radius value 22 and press enter. Selecting multiple, so that I am selecting this circle and this circle and again this circle and this circle, so that those will be applied. And now remove the unwanted parts from this drawing. So these are the reference lines. So I am removing each and every reference line. So those will be in a confusing way. So I am deleting that. And now and check whatever you don't need and remove everything. Give the command tr and press couple of times enter and remove the unwanted things. And once zoom and check whether any unwanted parts will be remaining there or everything is removing. Once check everything is removing. Once check. See, each and everything we have removed, and there are two lines here joining. See, they joins two lines, so I am selecting line and I am joining both the lines. And we need to remove this inner part also. Go to command line, type tr and double times enter and remove these two. So this is our final drawing. See, and if you want any center marks, so go to annotate tab and select the center mark and select the circles, so the center marks will be appearing for us. So like the center marks will be appearing. And now we need to give the dimensions for this. And see, go to command line reading and press enter, click modify and go to here symbols and arrows tab. Give the value as some 3 and text here 6 and press enter. Click OK and set current, close. And now I am giving the linear dimensioning. So from here to here there is a distance of 66 and to the vertical also. From here to here there is 54 and from here to here there is a distance 65 and the diameter has represented in this way. So it is the diameter value 60 and there is a diameter 44 also. So I am giving for this circle and see, I am representing inside only. So dimensions should be clearly understandable and clearly visible. So in that way you need to give the dimensions, and I am selecting this and selecting the radius. So now check any other dimensions we need, or what? Check. I am selecting align dimension and giving the align dimension to this line, and selecting this, and I am selecting again this dimension and move with the leader line. So check and click here above dimension line, and you can also edit this text by giving such type of text here, 2 holes. You just type from your keyboard 2 holes, 16 dia. You can also represent with symbol also if you need diameters. So like that, see. If you need to represent anything in the bottom line, like this, see. So like that you can represent the dimensions also. And now there is here also, I am selecting align dimension and I am selecting both of these and selecting, and again I am selecting text and I am moving with the leader line, so it will be appearing like this. And now select this text, and you can also type 12 holes, and there is 8 dia. You can also type as dia, or you can also use the symbol also as you wish. So see, like that these will be appeared, and any more dimensions we left. So this length is 54, and select the linear dimensioning and select both of these dimensions. See, so every dimension we have drawn with perfect dimensions. So you cannot edit these dimensions because we have drawn with exact dimensions. So if any case if you want to edit these dimensions, so in that case you can edit. So in this way we need to complete this type of drawings, and start from the easiest point so that you can complete this diagram in an easiest way. If you start from here this diagram, so it will be very difficult, or if you start from here also it will be difficult. So I am starting here the method to complete this diagram. So we need to practice more and more diagrams